In this presentation, you get a quick overview about how the integration of ProcessForce and CKS.DMS is working for SAP Business One. You will get in this presentation an overview about ProcessForce and the industry focus, and a description of a quality control management system and the advantages of combining a document management system with ProcessForce. You will also get a demonstration later on in SAP Business One. The ProcessForce is a manufacturing and quality control add-on for SAP Business One. This is especially focused on consumer products, chemicals or life science. This is also available on SQL or HANA, as the CKS.DMS is also. The CKS.DMS is a document management system for SAP Business One, which includes text recognition, barcode recognition to improve the workflow, the paper, email or file workflow in SAP Business One. Also an advantage is the automatic AP invoice recognition. The industry focus for ProcessForce, as you can see here, is for consumer product, building products, chemicals, and furthermore. Just have a quick view here. The quality control management is, for example, a system to do vehicle inspections, batch or serial retest if the quality of a product is still high. And it's also the requirement of doing quality control tests is to have a person who signs or who is responsible for a good product. So that means if you, for example, I will change the slide. If you, for example, print out the quality control test, which you can see here, you have a specific form. You will see that later in the demonstration. But if you print that out, you have an overview about the tests which should be done by a specific person. And there's also a barcode then on that printed document. This is later on the link to the quality control test. So if you scan that document later, it is automatically linked to the quality control. You can see here on the left hand side that the ProcessForce add-on and the CKS.DMS add-on is already started. If you go to the quality control test and you open the second one, you have two new functionalities here. Select File and Add to Archive and Scan and Add to Archive. If you click on File and select Add to Archive and you select the file, a normal TXT file, this was archived directly behind the quality control test. If you go into the archive, you will see the text file here. What you also can do is now you can search, for example, for that test file. It's now here in the search result in the archive. The other option is now, if you go to the inbox and you have the following document. This is a quality control test document. This is print out to do a quality control in the production department. If the staff in the production department goes to the new product and he do a few tests and he set a signature below there, he goes back with that paper into the office, and later on the office is just scanning it. In that case, the office just opens the following form, say, not in our case scan it at, but I select the file now and I select the following file. The system recognizes this file automatically because of the barcode. It's the same procedure with scanning, and if you go then to the quality control test, to the number 1, you have new function here, the archive. You go into the archive and you can see here that the paper is automatically linked to the quality control test. What you also can do is to open a quality control test, here the number 2, And if you get an email regarding that test, for example this email, you can use the Outlook add-in and you click on Archive behind Document. You select your database. You select the document type Quality Control Test. You enter the Quality Control Test number, say Save. And later on, if you go back to Sub-Business 1, you go into the archive. You have here the corresponding email address. You can search now for that email address, or you just can have a look into it again. If you have any further questions, you can contact CK.Solution or CompuTech. Thanks for your time.